within me. Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love, why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. You never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold. Oh Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold. And yeah, I leave you there when I'm satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel that way. I never knew the man who'd give his life for sinners like me. And yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity. And we can have that promise and be his if we have faith and just believe. Teach us to trust in you with all our heart, to lean not on our own understanding, 'cause we just forget you won't give us what we can't bear. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be alone. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, we don't wanna be there. Yeah, my Lord. Trust in you with all of my heart. Lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo. At ang ibinubulong sa Kanya. Tama nga ba na ikaw ay maghintay at hinugin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana? Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararapat. Magsikap ka at mag-iwala sa may kapal. Nakahanda ang Diyos umalalay sa'yo. Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain na tutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay